Hello guys, it's the Pony Hacker here, and we are going to be checking on our new cat. Hi baby. Hi Marbles. Hi. Are you okay? Hi. Hi. She's waking up. She just woke up. Oh yes. Ooh yeah. That's our new cat. It's called Marbles. My mom just named her that. We literally just got it last night. It's super cute. That's what the video is all about. We see our own camera. Yeah. Uh-huh. 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 Okay. Want to come out? Hey, come on. Come on. Out. Out.
Why don't you go in there with him?
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna make sure Marbles. Marble. Oh, cute. Hi. Hi, Marbles. Oh, hey. Hi, Marbles. Ugh. Hi, Marbles. Hi, Marbles. It's 1:21. There's Marbles right there. It's super dark in here. This is the most hauntedest room, but it's okay with her. She's only 2 months old, so yeah. They got them in October. Yeah. You can check the ghost video that I made. There's a ghost outside my house. You can check that one. And if you want to, because it's uploading right now, if you want to check it out, you can. And yeah, 7 minutes long, so won't waste your time on it. Yeah, so there's Marbles' food. Hey, Marbles. 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 Look at that. I don't know why. No, what's the thing? This is her favorite room. She always stays in here. Her favorite person is my mom. She always cuddles up with her, like. Yeah, she always goes next to her. I'm like, I'm jealous. And it's just super, like, I'm jelly because of that. I'm jelly. Super duper jelly. But, I'm going to do a Christmas video once it's Christmas Eve, maybe, and when it's Christmas. So 2 days. So 1 more day until Christmas Eve, 2 more days until Christmas. You guys, tell me how you do in Christmas. So tell me down in the comments when it's Christmas time. Tell me how you do in the comments. Tell me. So if you like Christmas or not, comment down below. But like and subscribe. Please do that. Please. I don't know why this is here. Why did somebody spend another Ennard? I mean, we already have one. What the heck? Please. I'm not going to give that one away. But maybe sometime. So here's the Know what this stands for? TCL? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna end the video. If you wanna go out, you can. So, I'm gonna end this here. If you like and subscribe, I hope you do. So, I will see you next time. Peace.